Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at these multi-purpose mini fans that come with double batteries. It comes included with the double batteries, a USB cable for charging, and some foam pads. Here we see where the batteries go. You insert them easily and your fan is ready to go. Here's a USB cable. You can easily charge any phone or iPad, tablet. And here where the foam pads go in case you want to use it for aromatherapy. It's pretty good. Here you can see how easily you attach the fan to the side of any table. You could turn the fan horizontally and then vertically to your desired angle. But in my case, the best use for them are for the side of the strollers for my kids, especially now during these hot summer days. Hello, you like your fan? Look at the little mini fan. Oh.
Papa!
Yes.
Please!
Give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah. Thumbs up. To get your hands on one of these mini fans, simply click on the link below in the description box.